Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up. I'm going to show you
A mail call right here on Pappy's Corner. Thanks for coming to the corner today. I love having you here. Thanks for coming. And today I have a package. I've had it for a few weeks, so it's high time I get a video out and thank Goundy for sending it to Paps. Right here, gounderus. So I'm gonna get it opened up. You know, this is one of the best parts about having your own YouTube channel. You get gifts from people. People that appreciate you. People that like you. I send stuff out once in a while. You know, when I had my 1,000 subscribers, I was sending stuff to everybody. I had a big blowout giveaway. Oh, here it is. You know, and a note here. Let's see what it is first. T-shirt. And you get to see it first. Oh no, I do. Oh, it's awesome. What does it say? Gounderus. Now how awesome is that? I call him the Gound Man. And I'll put his link in the description of this video. I got a little quick note here from Goundy. With kind regards, Pappy. Hope you like it. All my sincere best. Goundy. His name is Michael. He has quite the channel. He does kind of slapstick type comedy, you know, and it's stuff I really enjoy. And you should check it out. Goundy, I love it. It's an XL, should fit me just fine. And no offense, but I'll probably cut the sleeves off, brother. It's the way I roll, man. Matter of fact, shirt I got on, no sleeves, baby. You know, just my suit leaves. Gounderus. Thanks, Goundy. So remember, do something nice for someone today. Love ya.